One sunny morning, a playful kitten named Whiskers was enjoying his usual antics, playing with a ball of yarn, when suddenly he was interrupted by an unexpected hiccup. Surprised, he tumbled backwards, eyes wide with the funny realization that his tiny body was now producing unexpected noises. Not to be deterred, Whiskers decided to investigate, pawing at his own chest as if he could chase the hiccups away. As he continued to hiccup through the garden, his antics drew laughter from the nearby sparrows that dropped seed as Whiskers misaligned his pounces at them. In a hilariously unexpected turn, Whiskers finally stopped the hiccups with a big burp, leaving everyone, including himself, in fits of giggles.